Hey YouTube, MinnesotaEric. If you happen to have a 2004 through 2008 pickup truck, F150 pickup truck, and the memory seats and the driver's side seat, and only the driver's side seat, and the power mirrors, the memory mirrors all stop working, let me tell you what's wrong with your truck. Pull into your... Get into your fuse panel, and after checking fuse 109 here and confirming that it's good with, say, switch it with fuse 108, which is the passenger side, just confirm your fuses are going good. But if those appear to be good, then I want you to pull off the kicker panel here, and then I want you to find your orange with green tracer wire. You'll have to undo some of the factory electrical wiring here. And what you're likely to find, most likely to find, is right at a splice, it's corroded apart. If you fix this, your power seat on the driver's side and your mirrors and your memory will all wake back up. Okay, so all I've done here is I've added a jumper. There was a 2-into-1 wire splice here, and I've just added a little longer jumper here. It's just easier, and I will tape this up and bundle it together. But just to confirm function, Mark, why don't you be my demonstrator? The power mirrors, the memory, and the power seat on just the driver's side was not working, and here, behold, it's all woke up now.
Yeah, perfect. Let's try the mirrors.
And there they are moving away.
Left side.
I can't even see the right side from my side, but anyway, YouTube, that's all you need to do is just go in there and look for the corroded, crusty orange with green tracer wire. Go in there and splice that back together, tape it up nice, put it back together. It's all precious and whatnot, and your problems will be fixed. That's all I got to share with you today. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If I saved you a bunch of money, then comment, thumbs up, and like subscribe or something. Anyway, till we meet again, YouTube, bye-bye.